Hey friends, if you wish to make a file or folder hidden in Windows, then please watch this video. So let us say we wish to make this file hidden. Simply right click on it, select show more options and then go to properties and then check hidden, apply, OK. And then let us say we wish to make a folder hidden. Right click on the folder, select show more options, properties, hidden, apply changes, whether you want it only to the folder or all the folder and subfolders and files. Click on OK and then on OK. Now, if the view does not check hidden items, you will not even see these. They will be, out of view. And if you want to see them, then click on view, show hidden items. And to unhide them, simply right click on them and then select properties and unhide, apply, OK, OK. And even for this one, apply, properties, uncheck this, apply, OK. That's it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.